Property management goes beyond collecting rent checks. It's about creating a reliable experience for owners and tenants alike. It starts with understanding that a property is an investment, not just a building. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we see ourselves as long-term partners, not just monthly rent collectors. We coordinate repairs, manage tenant relationships, and handle the financial details that many property owners find stressful. Our approach is hands-on, practical, and focused on results. If you've been juggling phone calls from tenants, chasing late payments, or losing sleep over unexpected maintenance bills, it might be time to consider a full-service property manager who can shoulder those burdens. By outsourcing these tasks, you free yourself to focus on bigger decisions about your portfolio's future. Maintenance is often where do-it-yourself. Landlords find themselves overwhelmed. A leaky faucet can lead to water damage if ignored. A broken air conditioner can cause tenant dissatisfaction and early move-outs. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we have a network of trusted contractors and suppliers who can jump into action. We coordinate and oversee repairs, track down competitive quotes, and make sure the work is done to our standards. This proactive approach protects your property's value and keeps tenants satisfied, lowering turnover and saving you money in the long run. Instead of waiting for things to spiral out of control, we address problems head-on, preventing minor issues from ballooning into expensive repairs. Marketing and tenant screening are equally crucial. A vacant property is a drain on resources, and a difficult tenant can create headaches for everyone. We use professional photos and detailed property listings to attract a wide pool of applicants. From there, we screen thoroughly. We check credit reports, verify employment, and speak with previous landlords. We want tenants who pay on time, respect the space, and plan to stay a while. By placing responsible tenants in your property, we minimize the risk of late payments, property damage, and disruptive behavior. This careful screening might take more time up front, but it pays dividends by ensuring a stable and positive rental experience for both you and your tenants. Financial clarity is another key aspect of full-service property management. Beyond simply collecting rent, we track every dollar in and out of your property. Maintenance costs, utility bills, and property taxes are all recorded, categorized, and shared with you through detailed statements. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about rent adjustments, maintenance budgets, and potential expansions. Many landlords underestimate the peace of mind that comes from a clean set of books. You'll always know how your property is performing, which allows you to plan for the future and keep your stress levels low. Compliance with local, state, and federal regulations can't be overlooked. Eviction laws, safety requirements, fair housing regulations, there's a maze of rules to follow. If you're not aware of them, you can face fines or legal action. Our team stays current on these regulations to make sure your properties operate above board. We handle lease agreements, rental documentation, and any legal steps necessary if a tenant stops paying. This legal expertise is a safety net, protecting you from pitfalls that can arise in property management. We do the homework and keep you informed so your properties remain compliant and profitable. Expanding your portfolio can be a big step, and having a reliable property manager helps make that transition smoother. When you know your existing rentals are running efficiently, you can invest in new properties without the fear of spreading yourself too thin. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we guide you through market analysis, rent comparisons, and potential renovations that can boost returns. Our local knowledge helps you find the right properties at the right prices. We don't just maintain your current investments, we collaborate with you to grow your real estate holdings in a way that matches your financial goals. Sometimes selling is the right move. Maybe the property needs more work than you're willing to handle. Maybe you've shifted your focus to different types of investments. If that's the case, Alpine Property Management Kansas City can help. We buy houses, no matter the condition or situation. Whether you're dealing with a property that's been vacant for too long or you simply want to cash out, we'll make you a straightforward offer and handle the closing process quickly. It's an easy exit strategy for those who need to move on without the hassle of listing, showings, and negotiations. Once your properties are running smoothly, the advantages of full-service property management become clear. You spend less time on day-to-day issues and more time focusing on strategy. You don't worry about late-night maintenance calls, screening tenants who might vanish without notice, or keeping pace with ever-changing regulations. Instead, you have a trusted partner who handles it all. sending you regular updates and letting you know when important decisions need to be made. This shift from reactive to proactive management is what drives real, sustained profitability. It's how you maximize returns while protecting your assets. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we believe in building lasting relationships with our clients. We see ourselves as an extension of your investment strategy, working diligently to make each property a reliable source of income. We're familiar with Kansas City's neighborhoods, market trends, and the local contractor scene. This insider knowledge saves you time and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Whether you own one property or an entire portfolio, we tailor our services to your needs. We focus on consistent rent collection, timely maintenance, and open communication, creating a foundation for long-term success in real estate investing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. And remember, if you're looking to sell a property without the usual hassles, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. We buy houses, taking the stress out of the equation and letting you move forward on your own terms. We look forward to partnering with you on your journey to profitable, worry-free property ownership.